Are you tired of seeing your hard-earned money vanish trade after trade? Feeling like the stock market is just rigged against you? Stop blaming the market. It's not the market, it's you. Yes, you heard that right. The real problem is your lack of control over position sizing and stop losses, but don't worry, I've got you covered. Hi, I'm Amit Bhatia from vijaystock, where we don't just analyze stocks. We transform traders like you into consistent winners. Today, I'm going to reveal the two most overlooked secrets that can save your trading account: position sizing and stop-loss methods. By the end of this video, you'll learn 1. How to calculate the exact position size to protect your capital. 2. How to set stop losses that save you from blowing up your account. And if you stay with me, I'll even share my personal golden rule that top traders swear by. Let's face it, you don't need to bet your entire account on one trade to make money. That's a recipe for disaster. Here's the golden rule. Never risk more than 1 to 2% of your total capital on a single trade. Why? Because trading isn't about hitting home runs, it's about surviving long enough to win consistently. Example: if your trading capital is 1 lakh rupees, you should risk no more than 1,000 to 2,000 rupees per trade. By controlling your position size, you stay in the game even when trades don't go your way. Now let's talk about stop losses. Have you ever told yourself, the stock will recover, just wait, only to watch it plunge deeper into losses? Stop doing that. A stop loss isn't about admitting defeat, it's about protecting your money. Set your stop loss at the level where the trade no longer makes sense. For beginners, 1 to 2% of the stock price is a good starting point. And here's a pro tip. Always calculate your stop loss before you enter the trade, not after. Now, here's the rule that separates the amateurs from the pros. Always know your exit plan before you enter the trade. If you don't, the market will decide it for you. And trust me, the market is ruthless. This one rule has saved my clients from massive losses and even turned struggling traders into consistent earners. Now imagine this. What if you never had to second-guess your trades again? What if every trade came with confidence and a plan? You can have that, and it starts today. Don't let another trade wipe out your savings. Call me now at 0932899485 or visit www.vijaystock.com and start trading like a pro. Remember, hesitation costs you money, but action builds wealth. So what are you waiting for? Call now and secure your financial future. This is Amit Bhatia signing off from vijaystock. Let's transform your trading journey together. Remember, the market isn't against you, lack of knowledge is. Change that today. Call or visit us now.